Good day to you all. In this video we are going to look at what is called a multi-body situation. So we have over here a resonance circuit. It's series and it is using that lead wire coil over there to have higher voltage outputs. Then I'm going over here to a spark gap, and that spark gap is connected to our second body, and that is the coil over here. And over there we have the spark gap. And over here we have a capacitor, so that what floats to ground, there is a separation between earth ground and our coil over here. So that is the situation that we have over here. And here you can see that the scope probe, I have made two experiments. One where I have directly connected over here, and one where I place the scope probe in the neighborhood but not connected to. And as you can see on our scope, so this is the signal when we are in this situation, when the scope probe is not directly connected. Then we can see that our voltage is rising up, and at a certain moment it shuts down. Now I am not I'm not so far that I can explain what is happening, but I just wanted to show you my test results. And I'm going to show you what happens. So I put it in run, put the signal out, so you can see that there is a lot of difference. So I do the signal sequence. And then you can see the build-up, and then it goes down. So when we go to there, we got a sudden discharge. Now, when we look at this, and I'm going to lower the frequency so that we are coming underneath the spark gap voltage, then you can see that our amplitude is at this height. So we are now using 26 volts. We'll move it to there so you can see all the settings. So we have 26 volts, 0.05 watts, and I have 59.4 kilohertz and 8.3% duty cycle, so that I have 3 oscillations. Now this is then the result on our screen. I will zoom in. And as you can see, when I move my delta V cursors, this one up, and then the other one down. So I have a delta V of approximately 20.4 volts. Now, please keep in mind, this is not directly connected to our circuit, so we are measuring from a distance. Now, maybe I'm going to let the camera stay, and then I'm going to go back to the higher frequency where it starts to fire. And then we can see the result that we had before. So once the spark gap starts firing, then we can see the amplitude going up. Now we also have a part where the amplitude is lower. So I still need to look into things, but this is just to show you what my test results are at this moment. And when I have better understanding, I will certainly keep you posted all. So I also want to thank you to all persons who have helped me on this. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.